This is a 1999 Chevy Suburban, and it's having an issue with its park reverse prindle up here by the dash here. So what happened is, first of all, park does not show. The light that's showing. Put it in reverse, shows reverse, so neutral, drive, 3, 2, and 1. Put it back in 2, and it only shows 1. It didn't go back. Put it in 3, it disappeared. I put it in drive, and where the D light, the D is, that's drive 4, and it's showing drive 3. I put it in neutral. You saw it skip over to drive, then went to neutral, and it shut itself off. You saw that. Okay. Now I'm in reverse, and it's showing reverse. Park doesn't show at all. So I go back to reverse, neutral, drive, 3, 2, and 1. Like it shows when I go from left to right. Going back to it, it shut off. I wiggle this here, that's not showing anything. Do anything by wiggling the gear selector. I go to 3, and went to 3, and then jump back over to 2. Okay, drive, and it jumped to 3. I go to neutral, stays in neutral. Ain't working here. Okay, neutral. Reverse is in reverse, but it says neutral. Go back to park. Now, even though this is showing incorrectly, I got the scanner hooked up to it, and the scanner shows correctly. So here, park/neutral. Whenever it is in park or neutral, it has park/neutral. So now I go to reverse, and it shows reverse. Where was it? Where did I go? Reverse. There's neutral. There's drive 4, 3, 2, and 1, which is low. Okay, so as you see, low is here. I go up here, it's showing low, which is number 1. Now I'm going to go to 2, and it disappeared. But if I go down here and look at the scanner, it shows that it's in drive 2. It's a trans-range switch, showing in drive 2. But we go back up here, it's showing nothing. I put it in 3rd gear, now it's showing 2. I go to the scanner, and you see it's in drive 3. Okay? Alright, so let's go over to drive 4. Now I move to drive 3. Okay, it should be in drive 4, which is under the D there. Should be. So now we're going to look at the scanner, and sure enough, it shows drive 4 D. Now let me go over here to neutral. It went to neutral. Scanner shows neutral, which is park neutral. Okay. Go back over to reverse, and it stays in neutral, although it went in reverse. Now let's see what happened here. The scanner shows it's in reverse. Okay, trans-range switch is in reverse. So now I'll go to park, and park doesn't show at all. So something is going wrong here. Now, obviously the transmission range sensor is doing its job, because the computer wouldn't be seeing that it's going in the right gear. Okay, so with the scanner, I'm able to see that the transmission range sensor is sending the proper signal. The thing is, how come the dash is not showing the proper signal? Okay, now my thought here is there's a problem somewhere in this instrument cluster. Okay, because it won't even show park. Even though the computer can see park, it sees everything. So we're gonna see what's going on. Probably gonna have to go behind this dash and see why it's not getting the signals the way they're supposed to be getting. Okay, now this vehicle has been sitting for a while from what I understand. So we're going to see if it has some problems there behind this dash.